In front of me is Lenovo Tab M8 3rd generation, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access apps and notifications. Then scroll down again, click on Notifications, and scroll down one more time. Finally, tap on See All from last 7 days. Now you can click on Most Recent at the top and select the best option for you: Most Recent, Most Frequent, or Turned Off. Then click on the switcher next to an app from which you want to block notifications, like Gmail. You can switch them back on by tapping on the same now gray switcher. If you want to, you can always tap on one of your apps over here and then manage all notifications thanks to this switcher next to all Gmail notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!